Divas! If you guys are interested in getting this eye look, just stay tuned. So this is our transition shade and we're going to apply it above the crease. Using wiper motions, we're just going to apply the shade and blend it in until we have the desired intensity. Thereafter, we are going to go into the palette and take this dark purpley shade and we're going to apply it in the outer corner of our eye lid and into the crease using a small and precise brush. Keep blending it in, add onto the eyeshadow until you reach the intensity that you desire and blend so as to avoid harsh lines. Then we are going to go in with the Urban Decay Eden eyeshadow primer and we're going to outline our cut crease region. Thereafter we are going to take an earbud and we are going to clean the inner part of the eyelid. Like so. Then taking the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, we're just going to apply the eyeshadow primer where we had cleaned off the makeup. Tap it on like so. Then going back into the palette, we're going to take this intense red shade and tap it on in the beginning in the inner corner of the eyelid and bringing it towards the outer corner. Just keep tapping it on and adding it on until, of course, like I said earlier, the desired intensity is achieved. Be patient. It might take a while. Thereafter, just take the precise brush you were using before and try to blend everything in so as to avoid harsh lines. Blend. Then we're going to go back into the shade and get this shimmery shade and we're going to apply it in the middle of the eyelid and then blend everything together. I think this shimmery shade brings the whole look together. Tell me your opinion in the comments below. Guys, I'm very sorry, I just realized that it had stopped recording. Here's the complete eye look. I'm quite happy with the outcome. I will surely be rocking this eye look in spring and summer. See you guys in the next one. Have a nice time. Bye.